Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how we can add a domain in report action so that report could be printed for specific records. So now you can see this report PDF without payment is coming for all the record, right? But if I want that report to be printed for only this report, then we need a domain. So for that, let's go to the code. Here in this code, this is the action. Here in this domain field, we can pass the domain according to our need. So I'm changing the domain. This is our domain. Okay, so let's upgrade the module and refresh that page. Now if I go to this, you can see no report available to print it. Okay, but if I go to that specific record, you can see this report is coming to be printed. So that's how you can add a domain in reports, and that is only applicable in Odoo version 18. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.